Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to clean up Windows 11 to improve speed and performance. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. On the left-hand side, select Gaming and click on Game Bar. Make sure the Game Bar is turned off. Then go back and click on Game Mode. If you use your PC for gaming, turn this on, otherwise leave it off. Next, go to System on the left, then Storage. Turn on Storage Sense and click on Cleanup Recommendations. Select the suggested items and click Clean Up. Uncheck the Downloads folder if you want to keep files there. Then go to Apps, Startup, and disable unnecessary programs that slow down your PC. Back in Apps, Installed Apps, sort by size and uninstall unneeded programs, but avoid important Microsoft components. Open the Start menu, search for Disk Cleanup, select all options and press Clean Up System Files. Finally, search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. Select Custom, enable Show Thumbnails instead of icons, and Smooth Edges of screen fonts. Then press Apply and OK. Restart your computer to finish. So that's basically how you can clean up Windows 11 to improve speed and performance. That's it for this video. Thanks.